Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wix with Facebook easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Wix website on your preferred browser. Log in to your Wix account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard of your site. On the left side menu, click on Marketing to expand the options. Select Social Posts from the marketing options presented. You will see a prompt to connect your Facebook account. Click on the Connect button next to the Facebook option. A new window will open, prompting you to log in to your Facebook account. Enter your Facebook credentials and click Login. You might be asked to grant Wix permission to review the permissions and click Continue to proceed. Once connected, choose the Facebook page you want to link to your Wix site. If you manage multiple pages, select the correct one from the list provided. After selecting the page, click Connect Page. You'll return to the Wix dashboard, where you'll see a confirmation message. Your Wix account is now successfully linked to your Facebook page. To ensure everything is working, create a test post from Wix to your Facebook account. Navigate to Social Posts again and create a new post. Choose your content, then click the Share button. Check your Facebook page to confirm the post has been published. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Wix with Facebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.